Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, Baldhead Basics, and it's almost the end of 2021. I normally would do a resolution list. I love a nice list. I always write things down. Do I stick to them? No, but I write it down. I normally watch a bunch of YouTubers around this time, you know, as they wrap up their channels for the year. And one person stands out for me, Amber. She has, the last couple years, I've seen her do a vision board and watching her accomplish these things, and some of them she forgets that she even put on the vision board because she doesn't look at it till, like, again, the end of the year, and she's like, oh, I actually accomplished that, and I did that as well, and I did this as well, and this turned into that. And I'm like, you know what, that would be a lot more accountable than my list that I made on a fresh notebook that I killed like 9 trees for, to write down 10 things that I'm going to accomplish, and you know, here it is. So I went ahead and followed her lead and I did a vision board. So we'll go through what these things are and what they mean to me. I couldn't put everything on the vision board because, honey, it's hard to find magazines in a pandemic, just putting it out there. But it's doable, and I just did this last minute, and I wasn't gonna go buy a whole bunch of magazines for a vision board. You know, we'll go through what they all mean, but I think this is a nice way to be accountable than the crumpled up pieces of paper that you're trying to remember where you put. That works for some folks. They'll take a picture of it, or they'll put it on their refrigerator, or they'll just carry around with them every day and remember to cross things off. I would love to be able to come back at the end of 2021 and look and see how many of these things that I actually accomplish. You know, half of this is manifesting and half of this is me having to clock in, and I'm no stranger to hard work. So I'm ready to take this journey, and I would love to be able to share it with you guys. All right, you guys, here's my vision board. I'm not gonna highlight every single thing, but I did want to touch on just a few things that stand out for me. Of course, to start, we will do the clean eating. I mean, we need a new refrigerator, but that's not what I put on there. I put it on there because it was organized. But the clean eating, and also the exercise bike and the tennis shoes. You know, fitness is going to be very big in my life, hopefully, for 2021. And that's why I put it on there. The Fujifilm camera, as you see in the middle. I want to keep growing my YouTube channel, keep growing my brand, and hopefully you tell your friends and your family members, and we can get a lot from this. If you go over to the top, you see the snow-capped mountains and also the mittens. That is me symbolizing that I'm trying to do new things. Same thing with the camping gear right here. I'm hoping to do more outside things. I want to do more camping in the West Coast, in the Rockies. I want to go skiing this year, which I already am trying to plan right now. So you'll come along with me for that one. Last thing I'm going to talk about is the smartwatches you see there. My goal is to close my exercise ring every day for 2021. So stay with me on that one. There's a couple other things on here, as you see. We didn't talk about everything, but some of them are super personal, and I want to make sure that I have my own goals for myself, and I want you guys to set some for your. Well, as you see, I didn't talk about everything on here. Some of these are just like super duper personal, and but those are the ones I thought were really important, and people could really relate to those. Everything on my vision board I could not put on, which is fine. Like I wanted to read more books for the new year. I got a whole slew of books out there in the garage, honey, and I'm pretty sure Philip would love if I would just read them, please, and get them out of his garage. But you know, so I'll put that on the list. That's a good one. See, Philip, I'm trying. I want to spend more time with my brothers and keep our relationship nice and healthy. And I have a trip I'm trying to plan with my mom. So more details on that because I don't want to give it all away and then I don't have no content and y'all be like, oh, well, you tell us about this, blah, blah, blah. Nope. I'm just going to say we're trying to plan something. We hope the world comes back that we can actually do it. Thank you so much for being with me today. I adore all of you. This is my 8th video. I have about 850 subscribers so far. I am so grateful for all of you watching my videos, leaving comments, liking. Please like them, honey, like all of them. But I am grateful for you sticking around. Please tell your family and friends, anybody you think could benefit from the content. I would love to turn this, like I say, into a men's luxury brand, but luxury doesn't have to mean expensive. It doesn't have to mean break the bank. And I'm not going to be somebody that I'm not just to bring you luxury content. So thank you so much for trusting me. Stick with this Baldhead Basics. I'm Robert. To the next one. Bye.